Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw an endangered bird, which is called a condor. So, first, draw the head by a circle, a perfect one. And you don't have to do the oval too good. And then put a line down. Then go line down and connect. We need to draw the legs. So, right there. And connect. Now start erasing. Next, we're going to draw the beak. So, go down and connect. And do this. Not too much like a crossbow. So, go a little down. Looks sharp, right? So, now let's go down, come up, and go there, and then tip. And do another leg. And go up. Do it on the other side. And now let's make some lines. Lines. Now we need to do the eyes. Zoom in. And do another eye around. And now let's do little bumpy eyes. Good. Now let's connect the neck in like that. Looks like a normal bird. So let's connect there and start drawing some light ridges. So let's do a little bumps here, little bumps down here. Doesn't look too good. So let's do a little bumps here, little bumps here, little bumps, little more. Now we can stop and start drawing some feathers, just like this. A blob and a blob, and a blob and a blob. You can count too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, no, not 33, oh well. Let's keep on going. And that's it. Now let's draw tiny other feathers. Let's make a Bruce there, and now let's do the feathers. Line goes here. So here, up and down, up and down, up and down. You can kind of make them like looking, they're hiding. And then let's go on this side. Looks pretty awesome. But we need to do more bumps. So let's go. Bumpy do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And now let's do some marks there. To look more like a condor, we should do some feathers down here. So let's do some. There, and there, and there. There. And let's keep on going down. Good. So now for the head, we'll need to do tiny markings. Kind of like a chicken. And now let's erase. Perfect. Now for coloring the condor, we need some yellow and some pink for down here. And color that in. And we want to make it kind of look like a condor. So let's do some yellow coming. And like there, kind of looks like blood. We can use some orange. And then we can use some yellow for the head. And then do a little orangish shade on top. Looks good. Now we're going to take the tin permanent black. It's really hard to open it. Now let's color in the eye. It's really hard. And then color it there. So now we're going to start coloring the claws. So we'll need to take yellow and color in the claws. You can make a tag on it if you like. I don't. And now I'm going to start coloring it right here. We'll need a little more texture, so let's add a little more to it. Now we'll need a place for it to be sitting. So let's draw a log. Let's color the log in. We need peach. I don't have peach. I have making crayons, so I'll use them. Perfect. Looks pinkish, kind of. But oh well. And that's it. Subscribe. Bye-bye. And hit the like button.